Hey everyone, I've been seeing a question come up occasionally on the Pixel Art Mysteries in the Classroom Facebook page where people are asking how do you actually get these to your students? So I'm going to kind of show you my process. I'm on my Facebook app on my cell phone, which I imagine the majority of you do the same thing. So the first thing I'm going to do is click the forced copy link that somebody gave us. So Rebecca here was nice enough to give us a link to this one. So I'm going to click that, and then it'll open it up, that doc, in another window and ask me if I want to make a copy of it. So I'm currently signed in to my school email account on my phone. So I'm going to click make a copy. Okay, once this next screen comes up, you're done on your phone. I'm going to jump over to the computer now and kind of show you where I go from there.
All right, so now what I'm going to do, depending on when I made a copy of this, right now this is the one I just copied. But let's say you did it yesterday and you've also done some other work since then. I'm going to click on recent in my Google Drive. And then what I'm going to do, since I don't do a lot of spreadsheet stuff, I'm going to look for the spreadsheets that are on here. And of course, it's going to be the one that's at the top because that's the one I just did. But you know, if I scroll through, I'll find some other spreadsheets, and they're all pretty much pixel arts because that's all I've been doing with Google Sheets. So this is the one that I'm going to want to use with my students. So I'm going to open that up. Okay, once it's loaded, I'm going to zoom out. This one's huge. Okay, so this one obviously needs to be reformatted for me because I teach Spanish. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to change the title of this to something so it doesn't kind of give away what the picture is. I like to do that first of all. So I'm going to call it, let's say I wanted to turn this into present tense pixel art or something. It doesn't really matter. So that's what I'm going to turn this into. So I'm going to go through here, reformat this. By the way, if you need help with reformatting, there's a link to a video in the description that will show you how to reformat a pixel art activity. So I'm going to reformat it, and I'm also going to include all the answers and everything so that I know what this looks like when it's done. So let's say this is my Spanish one and it's all completed. Then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go File, and I'm going to make a copy of it. And I'm just going to call it Pixel. I'm going to have it the same name, but at the end of it, I'm going to call it For Students so that I know that this is the one that I want to give to the students. So then that one popped up. And then what I'm going to need to do is two things. One, I'm going to come over here to the share. And I need to change this so that anyone with the link can view it. And then what I'm going to do, I can click copy this right here. You don't have to do this way. I'll click copy. I think it's the same. Anyway, I'll paste it up here into the URL bar. And then I'm going to change the end from where it said edit to copy. And then that's the link that I'm going to give my students. So I just highlighted and copied that. So when I put this into a new window and open it, this is what's going to happen on the student's end. It's just they're going to open it like this. They'll click make a copy, and then their pixel art will come up. Make sure that when you give them, there's obviously first thing you're going to want to do is delete the answers out of here because you don't want them to have the answers. But then this will come up. They'll click make a copy, and it will open up on their end. It'll be like this, but obviously without the answers. So let me zoom out again. Okay, because the first thing you're going to do before you share that with them is you're going to delete all of these. Okay, so this is what theirs would look like, is blank. And then as they start putting the answers, the picture will show up. If they have issues, like it says, the link's not working, make sure that you have this correct on the share. Anyone with the link can view. And then, copy the link. You can paste it in your URL bar right up here. And again, at the top where it says edit, and beyond that, just change that to copy. And then that's the URL that you want to send to your students. Hopefully this helped. If you guys have questions, let me know. There are a couple more links in the description of the video regarding pixel art if you're interested in learning how to reformat them or add formatting to one that does not have it. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you guys in the next one. Hasta luego.